all week. You want to find out how good you are. I guess you found out tonight, huh?
Yeah, I'm not sure either team played very well on defense, but it's a Menor Ignatius game. That's what it is. It's classic, and I didn't think we had much of a chance. And we're pretty freaking young.
Well, what happened wasn't supposed to happen. I was supposed to run a fade to the corner of the end zone, and either Tadas would throw it up top, or I'll make a big block to get one of the other receivers in. But I saw one of the linebackers blitz, and the line was blocking for him to scramble, so I got the corner off of me and just went to 0 for 4.
Yeah, while I was rolling out, we were supposed to hit the back pylon, and I felt pressure, so we worked a scramble drill where my receivers came back to me, and I just found the open seam for 3.
We prove that we're tough. We can compete with the best teams, and we don't give up. We'll fight until the end.
Comfortable in a game like this, right? Up 35-13 doesn't
really
matter.
Yeah, I was comfortable. That takes a lot of pressure off. It really does. That win right there takes a lot of pressure off. So, now we can go see what we're made of next week. This will be the biggest game in the state next week.